Welcome to the J&J Auto test video of M7DG083. This is our 2007 Dodge Charger SRT8. 6.1 liter car with a hair under $170 on it. We are going to be selling this motor complete as a drivetrain swap. You will get the motor, transmission, belt-driven accessories, ECU, and harness. I'm going to prop this hood up here real fast and we can take a look at the oil before I start this thing up. She is straight piped and she is loud. So I'm going to talk about this motor really fast, show you guys the oil, and then we will fire it up because you're not going to hear me. Oh, got oil. Not bad either. Don't really know the story of this car. Just a typical auction car. Looks like somebody may have purchased it and removed the stereo and then put it back to auction, but we're not really sure. Oil cap's good. I'm gonna go ahead and fire this thing up. Missing. Can we get the jump box assistance? Yes. All right. As always, we gotta use the old jump box creatively. Did you pull the box off? All right, there you go. You're good now. She's got a complete. Oh, does it not want to run with it off?
No.
Maybe it's not charging. All right. Go ahead and close the door here, see if we can get some mileage up. Well, it's yelling at us that there's a door ajar. Come on, baby. Let us through here. Well, regardless, we did Carfax this bad boy. She sounds good. Let's take a listen to the motor here. A little bit of a Hemi lifter tick, very common in these. I would definitely recommend putting lifters in this if it was my personal vehicle. I actually have one of these that will need lifters at some point in its life. It is rubbing up front here too, so a lot of this noise you hear is going to be the belt obviously rubbing up there. We'll let this thing warm up for a second. We'll continue to walk around. These OEM wheels have seen better days. We're going to take them off, recondition them, and powder coat them black. These seats are in rough shape. Definitely going to need recovered if you guys buy them. Got some burns in them. Yeah. Well, glove box is in good condition. Check out the rear here. We've got some aftermarket LED taillights. We will have a complete SRT rear bumper, deck lid with wing. It does have the Brembo brakes. We are going to get those off. We sell them as a set of 4 calipers, and then we sell the spindles in pairs. I know they're a big upgrade for the base model cars. Rear diff. This does have the SRT rear diff. We will sell it with the axles. That way you guys can do an upgrade to your 5.7 car. I'm gonna go ahead and test out the transmission here. Woo! Spicy! Oh, no brakes. No brakes. Okay, wow. Hey, one of you guys like wanna roll down the rear window so I can put it in drive? Like, we found what they did. There's no brakes. You're gonna wanna have to pull me back after I put it in. Like, I'm gonna put it in drive, but I have no way to stop it. All right, we're gonna prove the drive works, but as you guys just heard, I have absolutely no pedal.
Parking brake is on.
It ain't doing nothing.
Down by your foot.
It ain't doing nothing.
Okay.
See, no brakes.
Yep.
No brakes. All right. Well, that was interesting. Yeah, dude, I went to, I thought I was gonna run. As you guys can see here, we don't have much room, so when I hit the old reverse there, I thought I was gonna careen into that desk. Well,
it's good content.
It's a Friday at J&J Auto Wrecking. That was kind of cool. Lucky I didn't I was gonna try to juice it a little bit. That would have been real. That would have been real sketch real fast. Well, that is gonna wrap it up for M7DG083. You guys almost watched me wreck a car in a test video. If you guys are looking for any of the parts on this, that 6-1 swap, the rear diff assembly with the axles, any of the SRT8 stuff underneath it, I'm gonna have a link in the description down below to our website where we list all the stuff for sale. or you guys can give us a call at 800-425-1555, and our lovely sales folk over in the office will get you squared away. Well, I'm out of things to say on that one. I was totally not expecting that to happen. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking, guys. Check yourself before you wreck yourself. Thanks for watching. Yeah, always check your brakes.